Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how I clean my fake plants, but right now I'm going to show you what they look like after I've cleaned them. This is how clean they are. This is how it is, and I will insert a clip of me cleaning them. And I got these plants from the thrift store, and tomorrow I'm gonna do a room tour, so stay tuned and you'll see it, and I'll also show you my closet and how I organize that. But this is what it looks like so far, and yeah. Okay, so this is how I clean my plant, my fake plant. I use your regular wipe from the dollar store, body shower, and like one of these wipes. Okay, so I take my wipe, which is in my hand right now, put some gloves on, I wet it with water, and then I put some soap on it, and I start the first process of cleaning it. You wipe down all the leaves, and what I do is after I'm done wiping it down with soap and this bleach, I take a warm towel, like a glove that you're not using anymore. I just take it and I run it on the real hot water, and then I bring it over and I wipe this down for the second time. But right now we're just wiping with soap. And don't forget the back side of it too. So I'm back with my warm towel, and make sure it's not, you don't drain all the water out of the towel. We want it to be a little bit damp when you're doing this, so you can collect all the other dirt. And there's not much dirt from it after using the soap, so it's so dirty.